Hey everyone, it's Glenn with ERD, and I'm going to tell you about an exciting semi educational series of videos that we're going to be dropping on our channel. So, this year, actually, we are turning 30 years. That's 30 years of repairing stuff. I'll tell you, it's a lot of years, and we've seen a lot of things. And what this video series is going to talk about is the technology changes that we've seen in the 30 years that we've been working on electronics. We've been everywhere doing a little bit of everything. So we'd like to share with you how the world has changed in the world of electronics over the last 30 years. So this series is a little more relaxed than our other videos. We may bring on some people, talk about it back and forth. And of course, if you want to hear a topic or know about something that you would like to hear about, please reach out to us at ERD and maybe we'll include it in this series. So, this is the first intro one, and I hope you enjoy this series of videos. And once again, thanks for watching here at ERD, home of the electronic repair, one board, one drive, one motor control, one electromechanical, one almost anything at a time.